Getting harassed in school right now. Well, Your Honor, I've been with the defendant for about 10 years now.
Okay.
We had children probably around my years, about 19, 20.
Okay,
and,
how old are they?
They're 8 and 5.
All right.
And she was stripping.
I'm an exotic dancer.
She was stripping, Your Honor.
I'm an exotic
dancer.
And where do the children live currently?
With me.
And they've been living with you for the past 3 years? You want me to know before I move over to mom?
Well, the kids are getting harassed in school right now.
Why are they being harassed?
Because she's stripping, Your Honor, and everybody knows it.
Okay, we're going to use exotic dancer because that's what she said her profession is.
Your Honor.
And I think out of respect, you should refer to it as what she calls it, okay? It's her, okay? She was doing that when you met her, right?
Yes,
And he's talking about my kids being teased at school and all of that. No, he's the one being teased. He's the one that is brainwashing them to believe this stuff and want to turn my kids against me because I don't want to be with him any longer. That's the ultimate problem. You always going, Your Honor, at the end of the day, I make very good money. I do very well, and he wasn't complaining then, and now he wants to complain now, and I just